Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1, now problem number 18. Find the matrix A such that, look at the condition, we have one matrix into A transpose that is equal to the resultant matrix. Then how to find A? Here is problem number 18, you are asked to find out the matrix A. I consider the matrix A as before that you have to find out that order of the matrix A transpose. How to find? Okay, I strike out this one. So what is given here? Given 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4 into A transpose that is equal to minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 1 2 minus 5 9 22 and 15. Okay, order of this matrix we know that is 3 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 2 columns. A transpose order we don't know, or write as m cross n, m by n. The resultant matrix order, that is 3 rows 3 columns, 3 rows 3 columns. We know very well these two must be equal, then only the matrix multiplication is possible, right? The resultant matrix is 3 cross n, 3 cross n. What is n here? Look at that, 3 here, n here. What is n? n that is equal to 3. What is m? m that is equal to 2. So m that is equal to 2, n that is equal to 3, which implies m that is equal to 2, n that is equal to. Again I tell you, these two must be equal, these two must be equal, these two must be equal. Therefore m equals to n equals 3. Therefore order of A transpose is 2 rows 3 columns, because we considered A transpose order m cross n. The next step we can write, therefore order of A transpose that is equal to 2 rows 3 columns. Okay, therefore order of A that is equal to 3 rows 2 columns. Since it is 2 by 3 matrix, order of A will be the reverse, 3 rows 2 columns, remember. Okay, now I consider this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies, before that let A transpose equals, I take A transpose that is a matrix of order 2 rows 3 columns, 2 rows 3 columns. So I consider as A, B, C, D, E and F. How many rows? 2 rows 3 columns. Now equation 1 implies, look at the equation number 1, write this matrix as it is, 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4. 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4 into what is here? A transpose. This A transpose we considered as A, B, C, D, E, F. That is equal to, what is the resultant matrix here? Minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, 1 2 minus 5, 1 2 minus 5, 9 22 and 15, 9 22 15. Okay, now it's a multiplication, matrix multiplication, you know very well, a row by column, row by column multiplication only. So Here we have how many rows? 3 rows. Here 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. So like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 rows, 3 columns. First matrix we have to count the number of rows. In second matrix we have to count the number of columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. Look at that, 3 rows, 3 columns. That is a resultant matrix order. That is equal to, write that matrix here, -1, -8, -10. Okay, 1, 2, -5, 9, 22 and 15. Here listen carefully. Here we have first row 2 -1, 2 -1, here also 2 -1, here also 2 -1. Second row we have 1 0, so 1 0, here 1 0, here also 1 0. Third row we have -3 4, so -3 4, -3 4, -3 4. In second matrix, first column AD, A and D, here also A and D, here also A and D. Second column B and E, B and E, B and E. Third column C and F, C and F, C and F. You know, multiplication, first with first, second with the second, always in this order only have to multiply. First first, second second, first first, second second, first first, second second, first with the first, second with the second, first with the first, second with the second, first first, second second. So in this order only have to multiply. Now I am going to multiply. Okay, listen. 2 into A, 2A minus 1 into D minus D. 2A minus D. Next 2B minus E, 2B minus E. 2C minus F, 2C minus F. Then A plus 0. 1 into B, B plus 0. 1 into C, C plus 0. Here minus 3A plus 4D. Here minus 3B plus 4E. Minus 3C plus 4F. That is equal to, write this matrix, -1, -8, -10, 1, 2, -5, 9, 22, 15. Now here it's a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows 3 columns. It is also 3 rows 3 columns. So here we have that equal sign. So equal matrices. Equal matrices means we can consider the corresponding elements are equal. So you have to find out the values of A, B, C, D, E and F. Look at that, very easy. Here we have A plus 0, that is A that is equal to 1. B that is equal to 2, C that is equal to -5. So you can directly write A that is equal to 1, B that is equal to 2 and C that is equal to -5, which implies, I write here, A that is equal to 1, B that is equal to 2 and C that is equal to -5. I got the values of A, B and C. We have to find out D, E and F. Very simple. Look at that. I am comparing these two. 2A minus D that is equal to -1. 2A minus D. 2A minus D that is equal to -1, which implies 2 into, we know the value of A that is 1 minus D that is equal to -1. 2 into 1, 2 minus D that is equal to -1, minus D that is equal to -1, plus 2 comes right hand side, -2, minus D that is equal to -3, which implies if we cancel that minus, we will be getting the value of D that is equal to 3. Next, Then I compare these two, 2b minus e that is equal to minus 8. Okay, 2b minus e that is equal to minus 8. 2 into b value we have, that is 2 minus e that is equal to minus 8. 2 2s are 4 minus e that is equal to minus 8. Minus e that is equal to minus 8 plus 4 comes right hand side, minus 4. Minus e that is equal to minus 12. You can cancel that minus. If we cancel, we will be getting the value of e that is equal to 12. Finally, I am comparing these two, 2c minus f that is equal to minus 10. 2c minus f is minus 10 and 2c minus f that is equal to minus 10. 2 into c value, here it is c value minus 5. Minus 5 minus f that is equal to minus 10. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 minus f that is equal to minus 10. Minus f equal to minus 10. Minus 10 comes right hand side, plus 10. So minus f equal to 0, which implies f also 0. Okay, I got the values of a, b, c, d, e and f. Therefore, write that A matrix or A transpose. A transpose we considered as, look at that, we have A transpose is A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. A value is 1, B value is 2, C value is minus 5 and D value is 3, E value is 12 and F value is 0. We have all the values A, B, C, D, E and F have written here. But you are asked to find out the matrix A. A is the transpose of A transpose. Okay. So you can directly write, we have the A transpose whose transpose is A, means you can directly write the answer 1, 2, minus 5 in first column and 3, 12, 0 in second column. Over. So problem number 18 is completed. Then I will be teaching that problem number 19 in the next video. Thank you, children.